na wasihi mnifuate mimi. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Basi na wasihi, Biblia inasema kwamba ninawasihi mnifuate mimi. Praise the living God. Remember the sources of your blessings. Remember your parents. Remember your destiny connector. Remember everybody who helped you when you were so down. Hallelujah. Remember that one person. Sometimes those people suffer alone. Sometimes those people go through alone. Please remember them. At least once, remember those people. Hallelujah. And God will bless you. And if you don't, hallelujah, huyo Mungu aliyokuweka juu atakushusha chini. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Atakushusha chini. Na wakati atakapokushusha chini, hakuna kuinuka tena. So from today on henceforth, please remember those people who helped you. Remember who helped you when you are so down. When you are so down. When you are so down, crying. Every day and night, crying. Every day you are saying, please remember me. Praise the living God. Hallelujah. Remember those people. And God will bless you. Your pockets will never go dry. Hallelujah. Biblia inasema kwamba eka hazina yako wapi? Mbinguni, ambapo nundu hazitafikia. Remember them. In Jesus' mighty name. Can we all stand up? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I hope this word has gotten. Hii neno imekupata. Hii neno imekupata. Tunajijua.